Hello there, first grade friends. In this video, we are going to begin Module 13.4, Solve Two-Digit Addition and Subtraction Problems. By the time we're through with this video, you will be able to choose strategies to solve two-digit addition and subtraction problems. Let's get started on page 399. Step it out. Number 1. A farmer has 90 pumpkins. She sells 40 pumpkins. How many pumpkins are left? It says, explain how to solve the problem if you start with 90 pumpkins. Let's see the options that they give us. It says, I will blank to find how many pumpkins are left. Will we add 40 pumpkins to see how many are left? Or will we subtract 40 pumpkins to see how many are left? We have a couple words in our equation here that can help us figure out whether we will add or subtract. First, it says a farmer has 90 pumpkins. So we know that she is starting with 90. Then it says she sells 40 pumpkins. This word sells tells us that she gets rid of them. Then it says how many pumpkins are left. They want to figure out how many are still at the farm. Using those two words, we know that we will subtract 40 pumpkins. So in your workbook for letter A, you will write the sentence, I will subtract 40 pumpkins to find how many pumpkins are left. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to and get it written down. Letter B says, draw and write to solve. So let's go ahead and draw to show the problem. We're starting with 90 pumpkins. So let's make these lines orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 groups of 10 equals 90. We know that she sells 40 pumpkins. So let's circle 4 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll cross them out. Now we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10, which is the same as 50. You need to find how many pumpkins are left. Look at the drawing that models the problem. Think, I can add to subtract. Which shows a correct way to use addition to subtract to solve this problem? Our first option is 6 tens plus 3 tens equals 9 tens. So 9 tens minus 6 tens equals 3 tens, which is the same as 90 minus 60 equals 30. Next, we have 2 tens plus 7 tens equals 9 tens. So 9 tens minus 2 tens equals 7 tens. That's the same as 90 minus 20 equals 70. Our last option is 4 tens plus 5 tens equals 9 tens. So 9 tens minus 4 tens equals 5 tens, which is the same as 90 minus 40 equals 50. Let's look at our two numbers that are in our equation. We have 90 and we have 40. So we know that we can add 4 plus 5 to give me 9, and that 90 minus 40 equals 50. 4 plus 5 plus 9, or 4 tens plus 5 tens plus 9 tens are both different fact families. So we have concluded that there are 50 pumpkins left. 90 minus 40 equals 50. So the answer is 50 pumpkins. What strategy could you use to solve a two-digit subtraction problem with tens? In the problem that we just did, they had us use addition, our fact families, to subtract. What other ways are there that you can use? Let's look at page 400. Number 2, Lainey has 64 red tulips. She gets 8 more tulips. How many tulips does she have? Letter A says, use a strategy to solve. Draw to show your work. Think, I can make a 10. So for number 2, they'd like for you to make a 10 to solve the problem. We know that Lainey has 64 tulips. Then she gets 8 more. So what we're going to do is we are going to borrow from this 8 to make a group of 10. So if I have 4, let's count on until we get to 10. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I borrowed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from 8. So let's cross out 6. I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 6 will leave us with just 2. So let's go back to our now new group of 10. I already have 6 tens, but let's add one more group of 10. That will give me 70. And I have 2 ones left over. So I know that 70 plus 2 will give me 72. Here's the drawing that they used. They circled to make a group of 10. So we know now that Lainey has 72 tulips. The drawing shows 6 tens and 4 ones plus 8 ones. You can combine 4 ones and 6 ones to make another 10. So you will have 7 tens and 2 ones, or 72. Lainey has 72 tulips. What other strategies could you use to solve this problem? With a family member, I want you to discuss this question. Make sure to explain. Let's finish by taking a look at check understanding at the bottom of page 400. The directions say, solve. Draw to show your thinking. There are 60 cows in a field. 50 cows go to the barn. How many cows are still in the field? Let's start by drawing what we know. We know that there are 60 cows in the field. So let's draw 6 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it says that 50 cows go to the barn. We know that if they go to the barn, they are leaving. So we will be subtracting 50. And they want to know how many cows are still in the field. So let's go ahead and circle our 5 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll cross it out. That leaves us with just one group of 10. And we know that one group of 10 equals 10. So that leaves us with 10 cows that are still in the field. That is it for the work that we are going to do together. On your own, please finish page 401 in your IntoMath workbook. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Dojo or send me an email. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.